Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off the Facebook autoplay for sound. So if you're on an iOS or Android device and you're looking to go ahead and turn that off, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon in the top right, and then go and select Settings and Privacy. The top button should say Settings. Go ahead and select it. And then underneath Preferences, go down a little bit and select the Media button. And then underneath Autoplay, you can adjust the autoplay settings here by just selecting Never Autoplay Videos. But you can also select where it says Videos Start with Sound. You can go ahead and toggle that off, so then any videos on autoplay will not start automatically playing music or audio out of your phone. So just keep that in mind. Pretty straightforward process on that. You can also turn off sounds completely in the app by selecting this later option, but that's not for the autoplay settings. This option's for the autoplay. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.